to make a quick room tour for you before I leave. So I am in a single room. As you know, this is the bed. It's very big. It's not really comfy, but it's okay. And here you have a flat screen TV. You have many Korean channels. You have also CNBC, BBC. Then here you have a space where you can hang your clothes. And here is the trash can. And in my room, every Monday and Thursday, the room will be cleaned, and then you need to put your trash here and also separate, and you need to differentiate between recyclable, non-recyclable and food waste. And here you have also some space, which is really nice, maybe for your luggage, or yeah, you can even do home workouts here if you want to. I wanted to get some workout in at the fitness center here in the hotel, but you have to pay for it. You have to pay for each training session about 10 to 15,000 Korean won, I think. Won, sorry. I thought this is not necessary because I walk around a lot. So yeah, this is a really big room and I was very satisfied with it. And here you have the camera. I did not find out how it really works, so yes. And here you can control the temperature and stuff like that. This is for the light. Here you have a mini tea and coffee station, and then you have here some utensils, which is very nice, and you can also cook something if you want. So every Monday and Thursday the room will be cleaned, and then you will also get 6 water bottles, which I think it's really nice. And here I also have some utensils, and yeah, so yes. And this is the bathroom, shower place, and here you have so much space for all your stuff. And yeah, so that's it actually. Yes, I need to say bye-bye to this room, and I am really excited to go to my new hotel. And I'm also excited to spend my last few days here in Seoul without having going to school. Hey guys, I finally arrived at my new hotel. I will make a quick tour. It's much more lighter here. The light is much better, and also the view. Amazing.
Hey stop 참 무책임해 왜 자꾸 들었다 놨다 해 헷갈리게 친절은 사양하게 오해하게 말아요 날 yeah 들어봐 가뭄 같은 마음엔 뭐라도 단비가 돼요 돼요 무의미한 말에 자꾸 내 맘이 설레요 그래요 아름다운 그대와 단둘이서 걷고 싶은데 에이, oh, oh. 속에 난 그대만 보이네요 밤하늘의 별도 밝게 비춘 날도 그대 앞에 빛을 잃어요 감당할 수 없는
Good morning from my new hotel. So today I'm going to the cafe which was shown in to all the boys I loved before. It is a 2D cafe in black and white. It's such an interesting concept. So yes, we are going there and also doing some shopping in Hongdae. I want to buy some souvenirs for my family. Yeah, that's everything for now. Let's go to the subway station.
Let it go 얼어붙어 like whoa 띵하고 어지러워 I see 한여름에도 넌 겨울 Yeah, 가요코 blood Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 기출들 꿈에도 I wasn't aware 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해 내 신감이 들어 단판이 태도 머릿속을 흔드는 ibuprofen 그만해 it's time to stop 승부욕을 자극하는 style yeah. 알면서도 마음이 자꾸 내게 가 안만 빠져버릴까 If you want me back I'll tell you I'm sorry If you want me back I'll tell you stop trying
아무렇지 않은 척 하지만 흔들리는 시선이 헤매이다 그대에게 표정을 들킬까 조마조마 Shining shining 그대에게 보여주긴 싫은데 Shining shining 눈치도 없이 내 두 눈이 빛나네 I'm holding
So now we're at the Banabo Cafe and you can design your own phone cases here. So let's see. So now we can choose the materials we like and bring it back to the counter. Yeah, this is like too big. Yeah. Do you wanna go inside? No.
Because I don't because mostly like these stores you
So I came back from Hongdae like an hour ago and I took a shower and also a nap, and on the way home I bought myself some fruits. This was like 8,000 won. Very expensive. So yeah, now I'm getting ready to go to Myeongdong and I'm going to have dinner there with the other girls. I think we are going to have Korean barbecue. Let's see.